Before you launch your agent into the wild, here are a few tips to keep it running smoothly. First, set guardrails. Just because your agent can make decisions doesn't mean it should have total freedom. Be clear and specific in your system prompts. Spell out what it should and shouldn't do, and keep its focus narrow. You can even add validation steps after the agent runs to serve as a simple quality check. Second, limit its tools. Only give the agent access to the tools it really needs. More tools can make things more complex, and that usually means more chances for it to go off track. Third, use prompt templates. Templates help keep your outputs consistent and make it easier to troubleshoot when something breaks. You can inject variables like dates, prior results, or other workflow data to keep things flexible without losing structure. And finally, expect some trial and error. Bugs and misfires are part of the process. If something isn't working, start by checking the inputs and reviewing the node settings. You can also ask the built-in N8N AI assistant for help. Many errors include a quick action button for AI-generated suggestions. And if that doesn't solve it, most nodes have direct links to the relevant documentation.